Hi, boys and girls. So for your excuse me, math homework today, number one is you have to solve using mental math if you can, so which means try to solve it in your head. If you can't, then draw your place value chart and place value discs like on a separate piece of paper, and then type in your answer for 4 plus 9 equals, 30 plus 9 equals, and 34 plus 9 equals. Now the second part, you have to use your place value chart and place value discs to solve. So when it says 21 plus 9, excuse me, you can just use the pencil, and you can either draw circles, or if you want to just do a dot. Okay, so either way, you can't just click on it to make a dot, but you could just do a circle. If circles are tough for you, then just draw a line. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that, okay? Do your best, and don't forget, after you do your place value chart and count up your place value discs, you have to type in the answer right here. All right, have a good day. Bye.